I promised myself I would finish draft 5 in March 30th. It's close to March 30th, and I'm not done yet. I've spent a whopping 16 hours and 40 minutes on Instagram on average throughout the last week, which is my phone is to blame, my screen time is to blame here, and I have an idea. So, what if I take all the wasted time and put that into writing? What if I commit myself to actually finish draft 5 by Celine's birthday? I need to finish this book. And I'm taking all this one step further because I'm starting analog with a pen and paper, at least for outlining and everything that has to do with story structure. So here's how the first 2 hours and 20 minutes went. Let's go. So 2 hours and about 20 minutes later, I wrote 1,500 words, finished a chapter, and outlined another chapter. So, guess that's more productive than Instagram. So, mission accomplished. Stay tuned.